3rd December, that is today, is the International Day for Persons with Disabilities. On this day, WHO, that is World Health Organization, joins partners to celebrate a day for all. This year, the United Nations theme is Leadership and Participation of Persons with Disabilities towards an inclusive, accessible, and sustainable post COVID 19 world. These people are actually 15% of the world's population, being 1 billion in number, have been amongst the most vulnerable populations of the world. In this video, we are going to share some important basic rights for such persons. The Convention on Rights of Persons with Disabilities is an international human rights treaty which protects the rights and dignity of such persons. It provides for the rights such as right to equality, liberty, freedom of speech and security, etc. But globally, only 9% of countries provide for the right of liberty to such persons in their constitutions. In India, the general legal provisions for the rights of such persons lie in the Constitution, health laws, family laws, educational laws, etc., and some other acts like Person with Disability Act 1995, the Mental Health Act 1987. In order to avail some benefits and concessions, such persons should possess a disability certificate as per Person with Disability Act. This certificate can be issued by state government to any person with more than 40% of disability. In government jobs, 3% of seats are reserved for such persons. Also under Section 80 of Income Tax Act, these people are entitled to some concessions in the income tax. The Person with Disabilities Act 1995 provides for both promotional as well as preventive aspects of rehabilitation like education, employment, vocational training, and grievance redressal for such persons. Considering which, the Supreme Court in the case of National Federation of Blind versus UPSC held that UPSC may be directed to allow such persons for appearing in the examination of Indian Administrative Services. The Government of India formulated the National Policy for Persons with Disabilities in 2006. The policy is in harmony with the basic principles of liberty, equality, justice, and dignity for all individuals that are enshrined in the Constitution of India. The policy majorly focuses on preventive measures like creating awareness about the diseases that result in disability and rehabilitative measures like educational, economical, and physical. Several schemes on such persons have come up as a relief and has successfully served the purpose of providing equal opportunities to them. But the awareness needs to be speeded up so that these people can avail the rights that are guaranteed to them by Constitution of India and other laws.